Welcome, folks. Today, we dive into the world of DataStage. Imagine a superhero that moves data from place to place efficiently. That's DataStage. It extracts raw data, gives it a makeover, and delivers it where it's needed. Big companies rely on it to handle massive amounts of data. And the best part, it's got parallel processing to speed things up. So get ready to unravel the magic behind this powerful tool. Hi everyone, I am Catherine Scott, and for over 12 years, I have helped businesses like yours harness the power of ERP systems to unlock their full potential. Today, I want to walk you through how our solution doesn't just meet your needs, it anticipates them. Think of it as your business nervous system, intelligent, responsive, and always working for you. Let's dive into the technical magic behind it because when you understand how it works, you'll see exactly why it's a game changer. All right, let's define what DataStage really is. Imagine an efficient postman delivering letters. That's DataStage handling data. It picks up data from various sources, transforms it, and sends it where it belongs. With its friendly interface, even complex tasks become easier. Whether processing data in bulk or in real time, DataStage has got your back. So buckle up as we explore this remarkable tool. Time to peek inside DataStage's engine. Think of it as a high-tech factory. Client tools like Designer and Director help you build and manage jobs, while the server executes tasks efficiently. Parallel processing adds a turbo boost to performance, making sure data is processed quickly. So now that we've set the stage, let's look at how this architecture plays out. Let's talk about connecting to data sources, the foundation of any data workflow. First, we need to understand different data sources. Are we dealing with databases, APIs, or flat files? Once we know that, securing and establishing a reliable connection is crucial. That means using proper authentication and protocols. Speaking of protocols, choosing the right drivers can make or break performance. And finally, optimizing data retrieval keeps things running smoothly. Nobody likes a slow pipeline, right? Imagine pulling data only to find half of it missing. Frustrating, right? Data validation saves us from those headaches. We check for missing or inconsistent records up front. Then validation rules step in to ensure the data meets our standards. To make life easier, we use automated cleansing techniques. Think removing duplicates and formatting errors. And let's not forget continuous monitoring, because data quality isn't a one-and-done task. Errors are inevitable, but handling them well is what separates good developers from great ones. First, we identify common issues, wrong mappings, failed connections, etc. Then logging comes in handy. Detailed logs help us pinpoint problems faster. Debugging tools save the day by providing insights into code behavior. And when things go south, recovery mechanisms ensure minimal downtime. Think of error handling like seat belts. They may not prevent accidents, but they sure keep us safe. DataStage performance optimization is like tuning a race car. You want speed without burnout. First, efficient job design ensures streamlined processes. Then, parallel processing scales operations without delays. But we must be mindful of resources. CPU, memory, and bandwidth can vanish faster than your coffee on a Monday morning. Lastly, tuning performance isn't a one-time gig. Regular monitoring keeps everything running at top speed. Real-time data integration is where things get fast and furious. First, we assess the need. Do we truly require instant updates? Streaming technologies like Kafka help move data in real time. But speed isn't everything. Maintaining low latency ensures responsiveness. And most importantly, data consistency is key. Because live data that doesn't make sense is worse than no data at all. Best practices might sound boring, but they save us from chaos. First, sticking to coding conventions keeps things structured. Then version control ensures seamless collaboration. Nobody wants their work overwritten. Modular design makes reusing components a breeze, reducing development time. And finally, documentation is our lifesaver. Because let's be honest, 6 months from now, we won't remember why we wrote that line of code. All right, let's wrap things up. We covered everything from data connections to performance tuning. Now it's time for reflection. What can we improve? As data needs grow, planning for scalability ensures we stay ahead. And finally, learning never stops. There's always something new to explore in the world of data engineering. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel.